Hi everyone, welcome to Canada Driving Experts. My name is Basir. I'm at Oakville City DriveTest Centre. Today I want to take you to road number 1, G test, or sometimes people call full G. So I park my car in reverse. So when the examiner is asking go to the left, or so you need to shift the gear to drive, put the signal, and now it's time to check all around 360 degrees from left, right view. Just creep up a little bit everywhere. Make sure the pedestrians or other cars. So once you don't need to stop here, but you need to check the mirror, put the signal, because if a car is coming, so you need to stop, otherwise you can't go so fast. So I didn't stop because I don't have a stop sign. Here in road number 1 we are going to the left, and road number 2 we are going to the right. So I don't need to stop, but I need to check left, right. But in case there is a car, you need to stop. Speed is 50 here. You can go 50, you can go 48, 49. Just maintain the speed limit. So every 5 seconds check the rear view mirror. That is so important. Any entrances coming toward you, left side or right side, just try to lock on that. So here I'm going to the right because the line is the street is, there is adding line, so I need to go to the right side. So here check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. If the light is red, you need to come to the complete stop. If it is green, you can go directly. Now I came to the complete stop, but I need to check my left and right, and also left again. So no car is coming, I can go here. From here, he gonna ask you QEW Toronto, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From this broken line, come to the right line. So we are going QEW Toronto. So my light is red, so I need to come to the complete stop. Just complete stop, check left, right, no one is here, so I can go to the right. So once the yellow line finished, I need to check the mirror, put the signal to the left. Here I can check the mirror, put the signal, blind spot, just push the gas to the end. Now my speed is 99, 100. So I need to check my blind spot again and smoothly merge. Once 4-wheel come in the new line, so you need to turn off it. He gonna ask you make a lane change, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and smoothly come to the right. We're gonna exit third lane, so I need to stay on this lane. So once I get closer, I need to turn on my signal. So check the mirror and put the signal. Don't lose your speed. This is the most important part. So here, once you come to the V shape, so you need to turn off the signal and also off the gas. So I'm in this line. This lane is going to the right and left. So check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot, and also stay on this line because we are joining again 403. So whenever you are stopping, check left, right, show to the examiner that you are aware of your surrounding. So 2 lanes are going to the left. I'm on the second line, from second lane to second line. all the time check left, right. So now I might have green, yes, check, and smoothly come to second lane. So here he gonna ask you QEW Hamilton, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. Once you come to the V shape, you need to turn off the signal. The recommended speed is 40, my speed is 48. So now it is 40. So as much as you can control very well, 45, 50 is good. If once the yellow line finish, I need to check the mirror, put the signal. Here the yellow line is finishing, check the mirror, put the signal. So speed, push the gas, check your speed. My speed is now 96, 97, 99. Check the blind spot and smoothly join. Try to join at the middle, don't join at the end of the ramp. So if you join here, that is a hazard. So try to have good distance from the car or vehicles which are in front of you. Now my speed is 82, so you know I cannot go because other cars in front of me. So I'm doing a lane change, check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. A car is in my blind spot, I want to let them to pass. So he passed. Now I have enough gap, I want to change the lane. Once you change the lane, you need to turn off the signal. Now I'm getting closer to exit. So once you get closer to exit, check the mirror, put the signal. So don't lose your speed. Now my speed is 96, 97. So here you need to lose your speed and turn off the signal. We are going to Brown Road left, so check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. My light is red, so I need to stop. Try to have enough gap between two cars. So we got green light. Again, I'm in second line, from second line to second line. So next intersection we are going left. After this traffic light, the examiner will ask you lane change. So you need to be prepared. So I need to check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. A car is in my blind spot and also a car is in front of me. I need to have enough gap, then I am going to the left. Once you come here, then again you need to check the mirror, put the signal again, because we are going left from this traffic light. So my light is green. I need to come a little bit forward. So wait for the upcoming traffic. So I will wait, don't rush. look for the traffic light. If it is changed to amber, so at that time I can go. Otherwise, after this 2 car, yes, I can go to the left. Here there is 2 line. I came to the left. I don't want to go back to the right. You can say to the examiner the line is going in the right lane, so I don't want to change lane. So he know that you know what are you doing. Speed is 50. You can go 50, 48, 49, 50 is good speed. Here is a little bit curve. Any street is coming, check that. Check the rear view mirror every 5 seconds. We are going back to the test center. Check the mirror, put the signal, check the blind spot. From here, come to the right, or either sometimes they are asking you to go to the right or left. I'm going to the right, so check the mirror and just watch. From here I'm going I'm doing right parking. Check the mirror, put the signal. From here I can go to the left, sorry, and stop. Once you stop, check if 4 wheels are inside the lane, so you need to shift the gear to park, and that's it. We are done. So once you pass, you can go inside, you can go to the counter A and take your license. Have a great day, and hopefully you get your license, G license.